I'm going to go in with our volumizing shampoo with grapeseed extract. I'm going to use about a quarter size, making sure that I evenly distribute it in my hands. I'm going to apply it to the hair and the scalp area. Just go in and just really get in there and cleanse that scalp and that hair really well. Now that I have thoroughly rinsed the shampoo from her hair, I'm going to be applying our extra body conditioner with grapeseed extract. Again, I'm going to go in with about a quarter size. Distribute it evenly, starting with the ends of her hair. I'm going to apply it first. We know that the ends of the hair is the oldest hair on the head, so we start conditioning there first. Now that she has been thoroughly cleansed and conditioned, I'm going to proceed with our weightless volume leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply it about 8 to 10 inches from the hair. Then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb and evenly distribute it throughout. Now that I have thoroughly applied her leave-in conditioner, I'm going to section her hair, center parting. I'm going to section from ear to ear, clip that away. Starting at the nape, I'm going to make a manageable size section and proceed to blow drying her hair. To blow dry her hair, I'm going to use a paddle brush. I'm going to blow dry the hair in multiple directions just to make sure that I give the volume that I'm looking for her style. Now that I have blow dried her hair, we are proceeding to her style. I'm going to go in with our weightless thermal protectant serum. I'm going to use about a pea size, very small amount. And the reason why I'm using this weightless thermal protectant is because we have actually used the volume collection on her hair. It's going to help me smooth away some of these flyaways. Also, paying attention towards the end where she has color treatment. It's going to add strength to the hair and also act as a thermal protectant. I'm going to proceed to section the hair off. And today I'm just going to do a really fun, kind of like beachy wave type look on her. Something real soft and full of movement. So I'm going to section off again. It's the front from ear to ear with the middle section. I'm going to do about a 2-inch section right at the nape area. I'm going to take my wand, medium-sized wand, starting at the base area. I'm just going to wound the hair around the wand. Hold it for a few seconds. release, hold the curl. By holding the curl for a few seconds, you lock the curl in place, allow it to cool just for a few seconds, release. So I have just completed her wand set, and I'm just going to take my fingers and just kind of shimmy through that hair just to kind of relax that wave.